Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change language on Amazon Kindle. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to amazon.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Amazon on amazon.com. Or guys, if you do not know how to do it, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you can go and check out a lot of videos that we have there, and we have a lot of Amazon how-to videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official Amazon website guys, where we have a lot of going on. So here we have all the tabs. We have today's deals, buy again, customer service, we have registry, we have gift cards, we have sell. In the top right corner guys, we have everything about your account here. As you can see, here we have returns, your cart, we have the English language or the other languages that you can go and check out. And also in the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like, you can go and click on this button here. And here guys, you can go and find the Kindle store, which we will need now for this video. So basically just go here, click on Kindle store, and then when you're in the search bar, you will be searching only for Kindle books. And that's basically what you need for this video, of course. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Amazon Kindle. Well, first of all, tap on the menu bottom of 3 vertical dots in the right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select settings. In the settings menu, look for the option that compares it to language and directions, or a similar option. Tap on language and there you can actually access the language options. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.